Let's start.
Okay. Hey Deepak, hi, how are you?
Hey, hi Dada, how are you? I'm good.
Okay, well, I am good too. Thank you. So, what is the today's topic? Did you check?
Yes, yes, I checked today's topic, and our today topic is untimely rain in the Maharashtra and losses of Maharashtra's farmers.
Okay. So, just go ahead with the current situation of heavy rainfall and damages of farmers of that heavy rainfall.
Sure, Dada. Uh, in today's condition of Maharashtra, heavy rain is going on in yeah, every taluka, every district is facing a lot of issues due to heavy rain. There in some villages went down in the flood also, and every farmer is facing a lot of issues from this heavy rain from today's in current situation, and a lot of crops got damages. Just like we were talking before, we were talking about soybean, cotton, and moves. And in every overall, all the crops went got fully damaged, and
Yes.
now we cannot cover that losses. Means farmers cannot cover that uh, all their losses. They invested their whatever amount they have. They invested in agriculture. They invested in their farms, their fields. But now, due to this natural disaster, they cannot recover. Now, government have to take some action for this. What do you think?
Yes, yes, correct, correct. You are right. Okay, so our government has to look into that because already our farmers has a lot of they are a lot of facing a lot of losses. Okay, so government has to take some actions to recover their losses. Okay, they have to give some help to their farmers. Okay, so that they can stand up again. Yeah, so that and there should be some policies from government. Okay, that should be applied. Yeah, so what do you think, what should be done by government as per your perspective?
Government now, Dada, I think just like see before COVID comes, okay, after means when first time we faced something like a virus issue, just like COVID-19, then government prepare for some means a lot of plannings, then that hospitals and that all the vaccination drives and that all, just like same like that. This is a national disaster, and it can come anytime. Okay,
Yeah.
this should be prepared in government's reports or in government planning or in government some policies for the farmers. Now currently government is going good. Means they are providing insurance for crops and reimbursement for their crop losses, and got means reimbursement and return for farmers, and they are giving some schemes. They are giving a lot of help, but till now I don't think that farmers are really getting that all the insurance or that all the schemes. There need more transparency in that all the policies, in that all the schemes, and this means this should be a proper priority just now to
Yes,
farmers.
yes, that's right, that's right. So what is the current situation of rain in your district? Is it still raining there?
But yes, yes, still daily 1 to 2 hours heavy rain is going on, and in my village there is a lot of flood, and everyone means my friend, my brother sends that videos to me. Every day I watch that, and I feel bad for myself also because my father is also farmer,
Yeah.
and they and actually we are also lost everything. Means our crops got damaged, everything, our investment got zero, and a lot of risk. Means this type of risk no one will take this type of risk. Okay, means you will invest and everything will be go in the water directly due to every
Yes, because this situation has to recover very soon, right? Because farmer is the only one man, okay, who is investing his money, okay, without any expectations in future, right? He didn't know, actually he don't know ki what's going to happen in future, okay. He will get something from it, or there should be nothing, right? He don't know anything. Still he's going ahead, okay, and putting his great efforts in it. Yeah. So after all, our farmers should alive, right? Because farmer is the backbone of our country. Yeah. If just
Exactly.
imagine, okay, just imagine if farmers, okay, stop the growing foods. Yeah. So what will happen in the world? Yeah. All whole world gonna stop, right? Everyone will start dying for food. Yeah. So the situation would be very worst. Yeah.
Anna, just imagine one thing. You are living in Pune. I am also living in Pune.
Yeah.
Okay, I am dependent. Okay, and I am dependent for fast food. You are also depending. You have to purchase, go and buy that a lot of means wheat flour and that all the things. Okay,
Yeah.
we use everything in our daily need. 90% of the things we take in our body are coming from the farmers. Okay, if just think, if in the morning you did not got milk for your tea, what you will do?
Yeah.
We're
Yes.
gonna test. We directly we will see black tea. Why black tea? Directly.
No, no. So yeah, that things, okay, that we have to face, okay. If farmers stop doing everything, okay, if they are not putting their efforts, then other peoples are gonna face all kind of problems. Yeah. So we have to respect them, okay. After all, and government has to do something for farmers. Yeah. So
Yes.
okay, so
See, everywhere is,
yeah, yeah. Go ahead, go ahead.
if any businessman faces any loss, okay,
Yeah.
you try to recover their losses, okay. But a farmer who faced a lot of losses, he
Mm,
cannot try to recover their losses, okay. By means he will rehydrate that crops, or he will try to regain it, okay. He cannot regain it, he cannot remake it, and it that it's not means a crop, but once a crop got damaged, it cannot be recovered. Their investment, which they invested in that field, in the farm, they cannot recover. So government need to make some policies, make some schemes on the priority, and they have to reimbursement in the past in fast procedure. Means they will today they will give a news. There is multiple means hundreds of crore will give to Maharashtra farmers and that blah blah blah. Okay,
yes.
but what time they will get in their bank instantly is if government is going to share a news with us after 1 week or after 2 weeks. The same amount which they have shared on the news must be uh, credited into farmer's account. Okay, this means this not happen instantly. Okay, they share news today and amount gets after 6 months. Might be sometimes it will credited or
Yeah,
not. This
late.
is
It
not a
will be
guaranteed
delayed.
news,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, yes, Deepak, yes.
They have to priority. If not, they did not. Then after some means after some time they have to pay all the values for uh, their techniques.
Okay. So, okay, Deepak, nice conversation with you. Okay. So, your thoughts are very nice on this topic. Okay. And yes, okay, we are about to end this session. And yeah, bye bye. Have a great day.
Bye. Have a great day. Take
And
care.
thank you
And
so
thanks,
much
thanks
for
for
joining with me.
yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Okay.
giving me chance.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Yeah. Bye bye.